Roger getting a side shot over there by Big Bad John Northcutt of Escondido in his 1978 Dodge Magnum. Driving him home. But is that going to do the damage necessary to knock him out and to move him on to the final? Taking home the hardware is the champion of our second heat. A nice little shot there to the trunk of the old cab that looked so nice in its day back in Michigan. Oh, look at that back wheel wobble there. Take that tire right off. You can hear from the stand. And it's off. Oh, the axle busted right off of there. But he's still going. I can still fight. I can still fight. I can still go on. He's still going, ladies and gentlemen. This is the sign of a true competitor. Nobody quits. Nobody gives up in a demolition derby. That red flag is still up. I still want more. Give it to me. And here comes the 747. All the way from Phoenix, Arizona, gonna get a nice run. And he says, no! I give. And he waves that red flag.
From under his own hood and throws it back in reverse.
So we're back in the pits here. Here's the number 10 car. This wheel was completely knocked off. Got the welder out. They got that puppy back on. They say that it was wasn't the axle, but I believe the steering rod. So they bent it back, and he might just be able to go in circles out there. You took some big hits out there, but you know what? I think the question everybody wants to know: how does your body feel physically after taking all those hits?
You know, I'm in that 5-point harness, and it's all cushiony in there. No big deal. No big deal.
All cushiony.
It looks
all cushiony.
It just looks worse than it is.
So one of the things back here in the pits you got going, we heard this when they were out there, is they get that, start getting a little contact in there between the tire. Get the torch out, get the hammer out, you slam that puppy away. Heat it up and slam it. How's our cab hanging?
Oh, it doesn't have a radiator, but it'll be out there. Right now.
What are you gonna do? You can't. Are you able to circumvent the radiator?
No, it doesn't look like it. We don't have a water pump. No belt. The belt broke. So it's not really worth doing anything to. We're just gonna run it as is.
You're going to run it without the radiator.
Without the radiator, without any water.
And we'll see how long that'll last.
See how long it'll last.
All righty. Okay, we got the Key Club car. We had a little trouble with the back wheel. We're going to be able to get it back on there?
No, we're done.
You're done?
Snapped half shaft.
Snapped the shaft right off.
Oh yeah.
Serious damage here in the pits. You're from Evanston, Wyoming? Yep. Evanston, Wyoming. This is the car that sunk. We're back here in the pits. He's trying to get it ready. See if we can go. Came all the way from Evanston, Wyoming to Bullhead City, Arizona. Didn't come here to sink it. Wants to get back in there. Making as much room as he can for the tire here. And to think we got kids paying $1 out front to do this.
Sustained to John Northman's 1978 Dodge Magnum by that 747 car, driven by Justin Scher, his 1963 Dodge. We've got some steam coming out of the hood there. I hear one engine running.
That's the